Hello everyone, it's Pamela from Pamela's World, and I got a video to share with you guys. So if you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome as well. And the new ones, I'd love to have you as a subby friend. So I have an unboxing of 310 Nutrition. Now 310 Nutrition is a very healthy lifestyle. You guys, what's happening here? A very healthy lifestyle. So let me show you guys what they sent me. So they sent me this this mini shaker. So that's what it looks like inside. So they sent me that one. They also sent me this beautiful pink one, my kind of color, absolutely gorgeous. Then they also sent me this purple one, as if they know I like pink and purple, right? So someone reached out to me if I would review these products, and I gladly accepted. I did some research on it and was very happy, was very pleased. And this is the purple one. Now in here comes a 310 Fresh Start. Now 310, you have to develop good habits, and they have shakes. So I'm going to show you guys the shakes and stuff that I have in my box. So they sent me these, and I got, let me see what I got in here. So I got 310 meal replacement shake, and it's all organic and vegan, GMO free, soy free, gluten free, 15 grams of protein, and this is the salted caramel. So they sent me that one, the salted caramel. Then they also sent me one of my fave toasted coconut, organic shake, toasted coconut. And then organic and vegan vanilla, and also the chocolate shake as well. So let's see what else. So it has 15 grams of protein. So now you could use a shake as a replacement for one of your meal. And these shakes are crafted with 100% vegan and organic ingredients. Now, you could add frozen fruit, which I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with mine. You could add frozen fruits to make it a thick and textured shake, which I absolutely love. I love to drink my fruits. I don't really like eating fruits, but I love to drink my fruits. And then you could add avocado or banana for ultra creamy shake. I like creamy shake as well, and I love avocado and I love bananas as well. And you could also add peanut butter powder for boost shake flavor. They also sent me these, and I am one that don't like water, but I do drink the water, but I really don't like plain water. So this one says hydrate peach mango, hydrate peach mango, loving that. And the other one, hydrate strawberry. So you mix in a glass of water, 8 to 12 ounces of water. And then there's the other one, lemon lime, and I absolutely love each and every one of them. And I love to have something to encourage me to drink my water. And again, like I say, this is just a healthy lifestyle. And when I had a couple surgeries a few years ago, my doctor suggested organic. So I don't believe in diets. I don't do diets, but I like to eat healthy, drink healthy, and have a healthy lifestyle. And even though I was someone that used to go to the gym and walk 2 miles every other day, I can't do that anymore because I had knee surgery and my knee absolutely hurts all the time. So these would be very, very good for a healthy lifestyle. And they also sent this vitamin C powder, organic, and I have to get my glasses. Vitamin C powder, which is non-GMO, gluten-free, 100% vegan dietary supplement. So this is amazing. Mix 1 scoop with 4 to 6 fluid ounces of water and stir to dilute the potency of the flavor, and you could add more water. So this is amazing. Can't wait to try it as well. And the other thing they sent me in here is this peanut butter powder, 100% vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO. And their products are 100% vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO. So their product is very, very organic. It couldn't get any more organic than this. So that is amazing. And then they sent me this meal replacement drink mix, 14.3 fluid ounces, and it's vanilla, my fave. I love vanilla. And it's organic and vegan, GMO free, soy free, gluten free, 15 grams of protein. So this is what this looks like. And it's all gluten free and everything. So that's what I have in here. So it says 14 servings per container, 1 scoop. And there is a scoop in here. I could feel the scoop in there. There is a scoop in there. Then, last but not least, the collagen peptides. And this is grass-fed and pasture-raised, unflavored. Support for bones and joints, hair, skin, and nails. Oh, great. And this is net weight 0.454 grams. And it's no additives, non-GMO, gluten-free, sourced from grass-fed bovine or bovine, whichever one you want to say. So I'm gonna get into making a shake and show you guys what I've used to create my shake and what I use. So just to show you guys what I'm doing, and I am using the salted caramel. I'm using the salted caramel shake. And I am also using, which is my favorite milk, is toasted coconut, almond milk blend, gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free. So I'm using this, and I'm using this shake. And I'm also using these tropical blend Jennifer Garden to add to my tropical blend to add to my shake. So I'm gonna put the milk in first. Guess I didn't shake it enough. Okay, so I'm gonna put so I've put my milk in here, and this is about 10 to 12 ounces, and then I'm going to put my shake, my salted caramel in here, as well. Smells yummy. Okay, so I've used this in here. Now I'm going to put my tropical blend of fruits in here. So I'm going to put a few of the tropical fruits in here. There's mangoes, there's pineapple, and this is what this is what I have. To show you, here is my shake. So it's toasted caramel with tropical fruits and coconut almond milk, my favorite. So let's see. Wow, absolutely delicious. This is really, really good. And like, I've had a lot of other shakes, and the powder, you could taste the powder. I don't taste anything here. I taste the nice fruit, and I taste the salted caramel. Absolutely delicious. This is how I make it with my with my little blender that I have. But I can't wait to make it in the morning and take it to work in one of these. I can't wait. So guys, there will be a coupon code in the description box, and the coupon code will be 310 Pamela's World 15 YT, and you get 15% off your order. And again, this is absolutely delicious. You don't have any of that powder taste to it. And I can't wait to use the rest of my stuff. And I'll be making my shake every morning to take to work. And I love a thick and creamy shake. Next time I'll be putting some avocado in it to make my shake really, really good. So guys, you can check them out, and I'm very pleased with the shake. Very, very pleased with the shake. It's very filling, and it doesn't taste like the powder. You taste powder when you do I've had other shakes that I stopped using because I didn't like that powder taste. This, I could actually taste the salted caramel in it. Really, really nice. So guys, I hope you enjoy this review, and if you want to order it, the code will be in my description box, and you'll get 15% off. And I really, really do love these products because they're organic and 100% vegan. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely, absolutely delicious. And like since it's hot now, I could put I'll put like a couple ice cubes to keep it a little bit colder because it's very hot. And guys, before you start any type of anything, always consult your physician to make sure that you could use, because I mean, everybody have different things, you know, wrong with them, and people are allergic to certain things. So always consult your physician before you try any you know, any kind of supplements or any kind of thing. And I can't wait to try the vitamin C. Can't wait to try it at all. So guys, I'm going to say goodbye to you guys. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Always remember, choose kindness.